In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can free up space on your Spotify app by removing or deleting all downloaded files on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and tap on your profile picture on the top left corner here. From here, go ahead and choose this option called Settings and Privacy. And under it, scroll down until you see this option called Data Saving and Offline. If you tap on it, scroll down until you get to the section called Storage. And under this, you'll be able to see your storage breakdown. Now, to free up space on this, choose this option called Remove All Downloads. And you're told here, remove all the Spotify content you have downloaded to free up space. If you go ahead and tap on Remove, this will go ahead and remove all the downloaded contents on Spotify app. And now you'll have freed up space on Spotify app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.